Big breaking news coming in. Delhi's all-party meeting has ended. Congress has opposed closing of markets. BJP raised matter of mismanagement and increase in the number of coronavirus crisis. We're getting you more on this at the moment. Kumar Kunal is joining us from the moment. Kumar, BJP is raising the matter of mismanagement and increase in the number of beds as well. At the moment, Congress opposing the closing of markets as well, which means is it decided by the Delhi cabinet and the government in Delhi that the markets, which are extremely crowded, will perhaps shut, and what's the timeline for it?
See, there has not any timeline so far from the Delhi government, but they have intended that if the cases will continue to rise in such a manner, then they might have to shut down a few markets where crowding is taking place. The all-party meeting has just concluded, and even Aam Aadmi Party has participated in that all-party meeting. Even Aam Aadmi Party representatives have opposed closing of markets, and they have told that without consulting traders, there should not be any closure in Delhi for the markets in view of COVID cases. What Delhi CM has assured the parties that obviously they will consult the trader wings, and then they will take a final decision. So no timeline so far. But what BJP and Congress has raised significantly in this meeting is that how the mismanagement took place in Delhi, and despite a second wave in September, there was not much preparedness by Delhi government to take over the third wave, and that's why after festival season this third wave is taking place. And what is
outside of the politicking that is going on with the BJP and Congress blaming the Aam Aadmi Party, what is the concrete step that has been taken to battle coronavirus crisis? This was an all-party meeting. There was Congress Party present, BJP present, Aam Aadmi Party present. And what are the solutions now? Everybody knows what the problem is, but now plausible solution is the answer for Delhi because the cases are rising in the national capital.
See, that's the basic thing. The people are looking for the solutions, but not much solution has come out from this meeting. What Arvind Kejriwal has told the representatives from different parties that please support us during this testing times, and we are doing whatever is possible. Even central government, home ministry is doing. We are increasing number of ICU beds. We are increasing all the arrangements. But right now there is no need to politics. Please support us. So this was the crux of the meeting. Arvind Kejriwal has asked for the support from all the parties, including BJP and Congress, and he told party leaders that please support me in all the endeavors, whatever we are trying to do, and we will thoroughly overcome the situation. So this is the crux right now, although lots of blame game happened during the meeting, but ultimately Arvind Kejriwal told all the party meetings he asked for the support from BJP and Congress in this testing time.
Okay, Kumar Kunal getting us those details, getting us the details about the all-party meeting ending. Too much politicking there with very little solutions coming in from the all-party meeting, and Delhi is battling coronavirus crisis on a war footing. And as the
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.